Hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to another tutorial on DevStack. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to install GoLang on your Tarmac. So if you want to learn the Go language, you can just follow this tutorial and you install it on your phone if you don't have a PC, just like me. So basically, GoLang is created by Google, that the Google engineers, and is actually making sense a lot, and people are beginning to use it. So in case you're interested in it, you can install it if you don't have a PC. So to just install it, all you have to do is just pkg install GoLang. Alright, so just run this. Now let's wait for this to load up, and this should be taking at least 216 disk space. Alright, so you make sure you have that space and at least data. Okay, so okay, this is taking just 56 MB, like you can see here. So let's wait for this to finish up. Alright, so I'm using you have GoLang installed already, so let's go ahead and test this out. So let's go ahead and run GoLang and see what happens. How do we call GoLang? Is it Go? Yeah, so we have GoLang installed on Termux already. See you next time. Thanks for watching.